This is an instrument named as, it can be named as the pinhole camera, which is mostly oftenly used in the instrument like a spectrometer, spirometer, in which a sodium lamp is used, and all the sides of this have the slit. It can also be used in single slit experiment, double slit experiment, and here is the light, that is the sodium lamp, which changes the color. Initially it has the pink color, but as it heat up, it changes the color in yellow. As you can see, the color goes on changing when the heat goes on, temperature continuously increasing. And the sodium lamp is used as a spectrometer, spirometer. In many practicals it is used, a sodium lamp. Also white light can be used. White light is as a polychromatic light, but if we want a monochromatic light for a single color, this sodium lamp is used. So this is beneficial for the monochromatic light practical. After some time it just changes the color and the whole color of the system become yellow. So these are the holes in every side in this box, so that the slit can be distributed in along all direction. So first of all, you can see here, this is the holes here. You can also work as a pinhole camera. And where are the slits? These are the slit here. Slit number 1 can be changes. According to the uses, single slit, it can work. The light produces from this, and up down can be take place. Second slit here from the second box, this also can work as the slit symbol. The light can come out from this source, in the dark you can see it properly. Third is this inside, also slit combination. So the three side of this have the slit combination 1, 2, 3, in which in all three practicals can take place from a single source. And this is a holes here, so that the pinhole camera can work. So the single instrument can be used in many purposes. As you can see now, the light has been yellow light, means this has been produced now. The what a monochromatic light means, this is a combination of white, not white, this is a combination of yellow light. So sodium lamp is mostly properly used whenever you just want the monochromatic light, such as to produce yellow light. Very costly it is found. So what is the purpose of this? Purpose of this, to protect the refractive index of glass or prism, and whenever we have to do the practical of Fraunhofer diffraction and grating system per experiment, and also practical like whenever we have to use the monochromatic light, this type of sodium lamp is used in the practical, which is only producing only the yellow color in the system. So initially it has a pink color, but when it is grow up, temperature goes on, current goes on, and it produces the yellow light. So the intensity of light can be decreased or increased by just putting it up and down.